You must see this. Step into your financial breakthrough, the secret law of attraction. I'm so glad that you're seeing this too. You know, I got some really important stuff I want to tell you before you go throughout the rest of your day. I'm going to tell you a little bit about, stepping into this breakthrough that you're experiencing right now. Okay, so you ready? Okay, so how many of y'all like Drake? Y'all, for a show, you like Drake? I know you heard of the guy Drake. Drake Audrey Bell from Toronto, Canada. Is that his whole name? Speak up, let your voice be heard if I said his name wrong. His full name. But he has a song called Nonstop. Everybody say this is one of the hottest songs that he made since 100 bands. And so I was listening to the song, and one of the lyrics of the song that really caught my attention was in Nonstop when he said, I prayed, then I prayed again. Give me that shit. I was like, hold on now, hold on. So you mean to tell me Drake actually prays? Drake knows how to manifest things. And so what really struck me was when after he said, I prayed, then I prayed again, and then he said, give me that shit. And I'm just like, wow. Now what do you know? A rapper is actually using the law of attraction subliminally. And what Drake meant in this lyric was he prayed for something, he wanted something, he desired something. He wanted to step into, I know it was a financial breakthrough because Drake's a rich man. And then he said, give me that. Now, in the lyric, it may seem that he's implying that he literally just took it, like, I'm stealing it. No, but I had a different sense of feel when I felt the energy of the lyric. He's basically saying that he went out and he pursued it. He stepped into action to go get exactly what he prayed for. Isn't that amazing? Isn't it amazing? That's why I kind of like Drake. But anyway, let's get right down into it, folks. Divine powers are always working for us because we're trying to do right. Now, this is the phase on your journey where you got to get like Drake. I mean, it should be to the point right now where if you're speaking an affirmation out, because I know y'all out there talking to yourself. I know you're speaking affirmations, when you're in the shower, when you're walking around in the kitchen, when you're cooking, when you're in your car going home from work. I know you are saying affirmations to yourself, right? Okay, but now you have to magnify that times 2,000. Now you have to get to a point that when you say an affirmation, you already know it's already done. And you should feel the energy of it being done. You should be able to just, in an instant, just know that whatever you said, it just happened. It literally just happened. I like to refer to the Holy Scriptures sometime, like the Holy Bible. And in the very front of the Bible, it said that the creator of the universe, God, said something like, let there be light. And then right after that, it said, and then there was light, and it just make you think like when you first start to understand like manifestation and the law of attraction, like how can this stuff be so? You mean to tell me that I can just say something and it just come up right there? You mean to tell me that if I want something, then it'll just pop up for me to like actually get it like right there? Yes. Only to the level of the degree that you believe that something will manifest to you. How fast only to the level of degree that you believe, that's how fast the thing will manifest to you. So that's why I'm saying right now in your journey where you're coming upon a financial breakthrough, the affirmations that you're saying for yourself, it should be resonating with you that you have already obtained whatever finances, whatever material possessions you want, whatever you desire. Pray, then after you pray again, give it to me. You got it. 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 And so what this is going to do to help you step more into your financial breakthrough, it's going to continue to fill you up. It's going to continue to charge you up. It's going to continue to make you feel confident and have much more conviction in the thing that you desire, such as a financial breakthrough. Now, when it comes down to finances, you shouldn't have a care or worry in a world about how money is going to come, because rightfully, that you are a money magnet. You are a money machine. You know, you're the cashier. What bank account? I am the bank account. You got to say that to yourself. My bank account, I am the bank account. I'm the money vault. Huh? Huh? You know, welcome to the vault. You know, when people meet you, you got to say, welcome to the vault. They be like, huh? I'm the money vault. You know what I mean? Money revolves around me. You understand? Because you got to keep in mind, you are the universe. Y-O universe. Just like the sun, everything revolves around you. The outside world is like water, as Bruce Lee says. You know, it's like water. It just moves and flows according to how you see yourself. You know, the outer world, if it sees that you have financial lack or you feel like, you know, I'm broke, I don't have any money in my pockets, the only thing I can feel is this lint. Guess what? The universe is going to show you where all the pennies at. You know what I mean? All the pennies. Oh, there's one over there in the crevice of the couch right there. Go get that. You know, put that in your penny bank. You know, but when you see yourself as super abundant, the financial breakthrough has already come. It's already in motion, baby. Then everything in your universe will reflect that. And no longer do you ever have to worry about money again. From this point on, this is the cutoff point right here. No longer do you ever have to worry about money again. Why? Exactly, because it flows to you naturally. The things that you set your intention on that you want, like if you want to go on a vacation, you know, if you want a new home, you know, if you need new house decor items, you know, if you need some new tires in your car, you know, whatever you want now, when you think about the thing that you want, the money is going to come into your possession so that you can buy the thing that you want. So now you don't even necessarily have to focus on how much money you have, because once again, you are the bank account. You are the vault. You know, you just got to wait till the universe says, all right, okay, you know, it's tallying up everything that you're going to need, how much money you're going to need in order to go on that vacation trip, and then the money going to come to you in a mysterious way that you don't even have to worry about. You don't even have to worry about how the financial breakthrough is going to come. It always comes. I mean, it always comes. You know what I mean? There's nothing you should worry about anymore. You know, this is the breakthrough. You know, you're in a totally different mindset. You're in a totally different level of consciousness, totally different vibration. Now you're like Drake. You prayed and you get it. Give me that. Yeah, I like that. So no longer do you have to worry about money problems. Okay? I'm confirming that to you right now in this video, which is why you're watching it at this time and space in your life, on your journey. I'm confirming to you, no longer do you have to worry about finances. Focus on where you want to go. Focus on the things that you want to do. Focus on the person that you want to be. And the money will come into your possession so that you can have the key to open the doors for the things that you want for yourself. It's as simple as that. Okay? Don't focus on the money. Focus on the desire of the thing that you want to possess. You know, it's totally different now. I mean, you're not the same old person who you was 2 years ago. You're in a totally different life now. Okay, which is why we resonate and we're on the same wavelength and we're able to communicate and transfer our energies back and forth to each other to get messages to each other. So I need you to speak up and leave a message below and leave a nice comment, you know, that you received this message. And also press thumbs up if you receive this financial breakthrough message. You should be happy. You should get excited. I know this is a serious topic, but man, I'm about to go listen to some Nonstop Drake, you know, because it never stops. This is really not a stopwatch. It don't never stop. Okay, so if this message resonated with you, give it a thumbs up. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, folks. If you want to watch another video concerning your financial breakthrough, and you want to know the symptoms of what it feels like when you're going through a financial breakthrough. Oh my God, my light is going out again. I think I'm just blowing the watts out of this thing. I'm just killing the game. I'm just nonstop. Just click this link right here. Click this link right here, and you will be able to watch the 5 signs that you will be feeling, you know, when you're in the midst of this financial breakthrough. So watch that video. I'll see you on the other side. Also, if you are a RIM team member or if you are a subscriber and you would like to make a contribution to my channel and if my videos help you and you watch me every single day, Look in the comment section when you leave your comment, and at the very top of the comment, I have pinned my contribution link to where you can leave a contribution for me. I just want to say thank y'all for staying tuned. Thank y'all for liking these videos and sharing these videos. Thank y'all so much for adding me on Facebook and all that good stuff. I love some of the conversations, that we're having, all the people that's hitting me up and keeping it 100, But in the meantime, folks, check out some more of these other videos. I know there's one right here. And then go ahead and subscribe over here and just click my little face. But check out this video too. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.